Hello, and welcome once again to another episode of the Mastermind Book Club. Tonight, we're going to discuss a magnetic personality, how to make someone obsessed with you. And our first and only panelist is Mr. Reggie Hilliard.
Uh,
I'm so happy to have you, Reg. We appreciate you.
Thank you, thank you. So, magnetic personality or persona is something that you can orchestrate or you can create or cultivate just by the way in which you live your life. If you talk good about yourself, you accentuate your good qualities. You listen attentively to other people so that you're not listening to listen. You're listening to listen and not listening to respond. Showing them that you care about what they have to say. Cater to people's interests and feelings. Again, a level of concern for those persons. Showcase your best qualities. Always look to put out your best, put forth your best every day, do all things with excellence. Caring about yourself, loving yourself each and every day is very important because if you love yourself, it'll show and it'll resonate and show in all of what you do. Keep a positive mindset at all times because if you stay away from the negative, you stay positive, good things will happen to you, right? So those are some of the things, right? Always speak kindly about yourself, radiate energy and positivity and goodness. Just show that you care and just present yourself to the world in that way and that will show off to others as you being very magnetic in your persona, and people want to be around you, people want to talk to you, people want to gain from you, people want to love on you, and that's a good thing.
Reg, thank you so much. Once again, you hit on some amazing points. It's in the book. It does talk about several different things. How you live your life, how others perceive how you're living your life. Um, Being able to cater to someone else's interests and be genuinely enthused with what they have to say or what they're about. And then also uh, you made note of being able to love yourself, and that's where I was going to pick up and say that to be uh, a magnetic persona for you, you have to first make sure that uh, you're well, that you're that person someone else would look up to. You have to make sure that you know that you love yourself and that others appreciate you. For who you are and who you want to be. And then you have to show yourself caring. And I think that's the main thing, especially in the world today. We don't have enough people who actually care for one another. In the good book, it says, "Love thy neighbor as thyself." And when you can love your neighbor as yourself, you would treat them just as you would treat yourself. And that's where I'm going to knock off. Uh, just to reiterate, living a dynamic lifestyle will make others obsessed with you. So that's it for another edition of the Mastermind Book Club. I thank all of you and I thank Mr. Hilliard, and we'll see you the next time. Signing off.